Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. My kitchen's name is Kitchen of Meenakshi. Today I will show you how to prepare jackfruit biryani. Let's see first what we need. For this, first we take 2 cups of biryani rice which I have already boiled for 70 to 80%, saffron with milk, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, desi ghee, capsicum, chopped onion, chopped tomato, bay leaves, 2 green chili, then cloves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cashews, jackfruit which I had already boiled for 2 to 3 minutes, turmeric powder, salt, coriander and cumin seed powder, biryani masala, garam masala and red chili powder. Let's start our cooking process. First we have to heat up sufficient oil. Now our oil get heated up. Now add cinnamon stick, then cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, then add green chili, onions, and chopped tomato. And saute it for 2 to 4 minutes. Cover it with a lid for 1 to 2 minutes. Now our tomato has become soft. Now you add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, one teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of biryani masala, half teaspoon of salt, and mix it properly. Now you can add yogurt, four to 5 teaspoons of yogurt, you can add 1 cup of water. Boil the gravy for 1 to 2 minutes after giving the water. Then you can add the jackfruit. Add sliced capsicum. And now you can cover it with the lid. Our jackfruit has become ready now. You can cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. And now start our next process. Make it like a layer of jackfruit, and then you can give rices. Give some cashews. Then make another layer of jackfruit. And then rices over here. Then add some more cashews. Add some more rices if you require. Add ghee, 2 teaspoons of ghee, and grate whole, and then give the saffron with milk. And cover it with a lid for 5 minutes in low flame. Our biryani has become ready now. You can keep it out. Now you can serve it with raita or any kind of gravy, whatever you have like. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and share it with your friends, and also visit my website www.minakshikitchen.com. There you will find various written cooking process. Thank you.